In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do basic formulas in Google Sheets. You only need 4 symbols to do almost any everyday math in Google Sheets, and the magic starts the same way every time, with an equal sign. When you type the equal sign in a cell, you're telling Google Sheets, "Hey, I'm entering a formula." Without it, Sheets thinks you're just typing regular text or a plain number. Let's start with addition. Click the cell where you want the result to appear, type the equals sign, then click the first number cell, press the plus sign, click the second number cell, and press enter. You'll see the answer immediately. You can also type numbers directly, like equals 12 plus 7, and hit enter. Both ways work. The point and click method is great because it uses cell references, so you don't have to remember exact values. Subtraction works the same way, but you'll use the dash. Click the result cell, type the equals sign, click the first cell, so press dash, click the second cell, and press enter. Think of the dash as your minus sign. If you ever need to subtract a number typed directly, that's fine too. Equals 20 minus 5 will do the trick. Multiplication is where the symbol changes. Instead of an X, use the asterisk. That's the star symbol you get with Shift and the number 8 on most keyboards. So you'd type equals, click your first cell, press the asterisk, click your second cell, and press enter. It might look unusual at first, but it's the standard in spreadsheets. Division uses the /, the same one you see in web addresses. Type equals, click the first number cell, press the slash, click the second number cell, and press enter. It even looks a bit like a fraction bar, which makes it easy to remember. Here's the best part. If you change the original numbers, every single formula updates instantly. That live-out update is the real power of spreadsheets. For the smoothest experience, use cell references by pointing and clicking rather than typing fixed numbers into your formulas. That way, when your data changes, your results change with it. No calculator required and no retyping. As you practice, keep it simple. Equals to start, then plus, dash, asterisk, or slash, followed by enter. Master these 4, and you'll feel confident handling totals, differences, products, and ratios across any sheet you build. Stick with these basics, and you'll be ready for more time-saving tips in no time. Follow for more simple Google Sheets tips,